In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default microphone on Windows 11. If your meetings, recordings, or game chats keep picking the wrong mic, setting a default will make sure Windows consistently uses the device you prefer. Start by opening Settings. To do that quickly, right-click the Start button, the Windows logo on your taskbar, and choose Settings from the menu. On Windows 11, the Start button is usually centered, so look for it in the middle of the taskbar. In the Settings window, click System and then select Sound. This is where Windows groups everything related to audio. In the Sound page, scroll down to the section labeled Input. Input controls the microphones and other recording devices on your PC. Under Input, choose a device for speaking or recording. A list of available microphones will appear here. Select the microphone you want to use. It might be a built-in laptop mic, a USB microphone, or a headset mic. Choosing it here tells modern apps which device to use by default. Next, scroll further down on the same sound page and click More Sound Settings. This opens the classic sound control panel. It's important because many desktop apps still rely on this older panel to decide which microphone to use. In the window that opens, go to the Recording tab. You'll see all detected microphones listed here, and the green bars will move next to a device when it picks up sound. Find your preferred microphone, then right-click it and click Set as Default Device. You'll see a green check mark appear next to it, which confirms it's now the primary recording device for Windows. You might also notice an option for a default communications device used by voice calls in some apps. Setting the default device you just chose covers most situations. To finish up, click OK to save your changes and close the window. That's it. You've told both the Modern Settings app and the classic sound panel to use the same microphone. A few quick tips before we wrap. If your microphone doesn't appear in the list, make sure it's connected and powered on, and allow a moment for Windows to recognize it. Some devices install drivers the first time they're plugged in. After changing the default, you may need to restart any open apps so they pick up the new setting. With these steps complete, Windows 11 will reliably use your chosen microphone, reducing confusion and helping you sound your best in every call and recording.